Question number 26. Choose correct statement about arterial blood pressure. If cardiac output increase, arterial blood pressure will rise. If capillary flow increase, arterial blood pressure will fall. Both are correct. If capillary flow increases, arterial blood pressure will fall is a correct statement about arterial blood pressure. So option B is correct. Question number 27. Heart rate of whale is 10 to 15 per minute, 11 to 20 per minute, 12 to 18 per minute, or none. Heart rate of whale is 12 to 18 per minute. So option C is correct. Question number 28. In mammals, total blood volume is contained in veins is how many percent? 10%, 70%, 80%, 50%. 50% total blood volume is contained in veins. So option D is correct. Question number 29. Choose the correct statement about walls of the veins. They are much thinner, less smooth muscles, less elastic than arterial walls. All are correct. All are correct about walls of veins. So option D is correct. Question number 30. The walls of muscles are innervated by muscle fibers, adrenergic fibers, both, none. The walls of the muscle are innervated by adrenergic fibers. So option B is correct. Question number 31. The veins contain walls that allow flow only toward heart is muscle wall, arterial wall, pocket wall, none. The veins contain walls that allow flow only toward heart are known as pocket wall. So option C is correct. Question number 32. Venous flow toward the heart is promoted by arteries, veins, both, venules. Venous flow toward the heart is promoted by venules. So option D is correct. Question number 33. Small vessels joining capillaries to veins are known as venules, arterioles, both, none. Venules are the small vessels that join capillaries to veins. So option A is correct. Question number 34. Caudal heart in tail of fishes help in propelling blood toward the frontal heart, central heart, both, none. Caudal heart in the tail of the fishes help in propelling them blood toward the central heart. So option B is correct. Question number 35. Choose the correct statement about capillaries. Transfer of gases, nutrients and wastes 1 mm long and 3 to 10 picometer in diameter. Squeeze red blood cells. All of the above. All of the above statements are correct about capillaries. So option D is correct. Question number 36. Small terminal arteries subdivided to form veins, capillaries, both, are arterioles. Small capillaries subdivided to form arterioles. So option D is correct. Question number 37. Arterioles subdivided to form meta-arterioles, veins, both, none. Arterioles subdivided to form meta-arterioles. Meta-arterioles are formed as a result of subdivision of arterioles. So option A is correct. Question number 38. Capillary ends in a smooth muscles ring that is called veins, precapillary sphincter, arteriole? None. Precapillary sphincter is a smooth muscle ring that ends in a capillary, so option B is correct. Question number 39. Venous capillaries empty into arterioles, veins, pericytic venules? None. Venous capillaries empty into pericytic venules, so option C is correct. Question number 40. Choose the correct statement about capillaries wall. Single layer of endothelial cells surrounded by a basement membrane, surrounded by a collagen and mucopolysaccharides. All of the above. All of the above are correct about capillaries wall, so option D is correct. Question number 41. Capillaries contain animals' total blood volume 14%, 16%, 20%, none. Capillaries contain animals' total blood volume of about 14%, so option A is correct. Question number 42. Types of capillaries are continuous, fenestrated, sinusoidal. All types of capillaries are all of the above, so option D is correct. There are three types of capillaries. Option D is correct. Question number 43. Concept related to permeability of capillaries wall is known as Starling hypothesis. Question number 44. Loss of fluid from the blood is called blood edema, veins edema, cell edema, tissue edema. Tissue edema is a loss of fluid from the blood, so option D is